All right, cook with microphone. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. This is the last video of the Thanksgiving cook. This right here is the cornbread stuffing, the roast pork, the mac and cheese. We have cranberry, bread pudding, sweet potato pie, and this dessert. My wife tried to correct me about it, talk about I'm saying it wrong, is not cocoa flan, it's co-flan, or choco flan. So it's a chocolate cake with flan on top, with caramel on top, drizzled over it. And this is sweet potato pie, bread pudding. Can't have too much cranberry sauce because you hate to go to somebody's house and they don't have no cranberry sauce. So there we go, 2 cans. But 3 cans is better because you never want to run out of that when you at somebody else's house and they run out of cranberry. Because it seems like when you bring 1 can, everybody want cranberry. So this time, I didn't forget the cranberry. So yeah, the mac and cheese, the roast pork. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. And the stuffing, the cornbread stuffing, and the mac and cheese. Y'all take care. Have a happy Thanksgiving. And God bless y'all.